Hello viewers, welcome to yet another episode of our YouTube tutorial videos. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to take you through how to set up a construction grid display. And before you proceed, I would like you to kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you might not miss any of our coming updates and future YouTube tutorials that we'll be putting up in this platform. And also, I kindly ask you to like, comment, and even share these videos so that we can be able to grow and even produce more better quality videos. So to begin, I want us to acknowledge the importance of having a construction grid in our design setups. And as you can see from my screen, I'm having a plain screen. And the first thing that comes to my mind is that we need to set up a construction grid where we'll be able to show its functionalities, like allowing us to have both vertical and horizontal columns from the column grid, and to also act as a ArchiCAD accuracy reference point, and to also have it as an on-screen visual reference, especially for floor plans that happen to be found within the background. So I'm having my screen here that is playing, and the first thing that I'll do to ensure that I have my construction grid in place is to go to the settings plane, where I'll go and select view. Then I'll follow this arrow keenly and I'll locate the grid display. Then I'll click on it and you'll realize that my screen is already in grid form, and the plane surface has already disappeared. And if I also want to turn it off from the same place, I'll go to the view and then I'll click on grid again and it will simply disappear. Then there's also another way of finding it, where you'll go to the left hand side corner where you'll have the grid element tool, where you can be able to also set it up and to ensure that you have the, the right uh, functionalities in place. So another thing that I also wish to bring to your attention is the fact that uh, for us to be able to set up columns in place, it is only through the grid display that you'll be able to locate columns in their rightful positions. For example, as I zoom in, I'm able to uh, have my column in place, just as you can see, and it is uh, through the grid display that I'll be able to find out whether I've placed it in the right position. So like this one, I want to drag it and ensure that it is occupying the rightful position that I want it to be. So that is only happening through the use and even the aid of a grid display. Yeah. So I can position it as far as I find my center in position. And as you can see, I'm able to position it in its rightful place. So thank you for watching, and I see you in the next tutorial video.